Addams Family.
Darling, I sure could use a laugh.
Well, here's a quick joke I read on the internet the other day. A man goes to see a wizard and asks, "Can you lift a curse that was put on me many years ago?" "Maybe," says the wizard, "if you can remember the exact words of the curse." The man replies without hesitation. The words were, "I pronounce you man and wife."
I freaking love the Addams Family.
Yeah, they're a bit derivative for my taste. Hold your dragons! I'm coming! Hey, Phil. How are ya?
Not good, Sherman. Your goddamn father keeps flying at our house, knocking over my family and all of our stuff.
He's my father-in-law. I share no no DNA with that old fart.
Whatever. Last time that bastard almost killed poor Pepper. We can't lose Pepper. She's the one who puts the bacon on our table. Who the hell does this kind of crap?
Gramps, get your saggy ass in here.
What do you want, moron? Actually, calling you a moron is an insult to morons. You? Die, you bloated porcine crotch cruncher! Why the hell'd you do that?
Well, Phil is our neighbor. Sure, he's different from us. Sure, he smells literally like a pigsty, but can't go around attacking him all the time.
Of course we can. It's survival of the fittest. It's only natural that birds attack pigs.
No, it is not. We should all work together.
Like my buddy Darwin used to say, "To hell with the weak."
Well, I usually love to see you two old crows going at it. Today is different. Mom is in one of her monthly moods, if you get my drift. I don't think we should do anything to piss her off.
Too late.
Schitzenburgers.
What the hell are you childish blood clots fighting over now?
We're just shooting the breeze with our buddy Phil here.
Yeah, we're talking man stuff, like farting, burping, and football.
Well, I'm out of here.
You know, Sherman, Phil is so wrong. Lolly doesn't look bloated at all.
What? Oh yeah. I so agree. What was Phil thinking?
Bloated? Huh. Now it's personal. I'm not just going to knock over your pig house. I'm going to roast you and your entire family.
Well, you're right, Sherman. It is better when we work together.
That Peppa did get on my nerves.
Damn, I thought she was kinda hot.
If she's too hot, just blow on her.